Do you think it matters that Welsh audiences know that a release like Unicorns has a Welsh connection?
Well, I hope that it does, because that's what inspires the filmmakers of tomorrow. There's a room for us to tell stories that break out of Wales. They don't have to just be about Wales.
Wales is diverse in every sense, and I think we're really getting to see kind of all different aspects of Welsh culture.
Wales is very mysterious, and it's an ancient country with great history and complexity.
You can apply that when you're making film as a black filmmaker in Wales. You can be authentic and tell your story the way you want to.
That screen is your heart. That is what is connecting to the audience. That's your heartbeat.
But there are people who can see and it can move them. That's what I feel sometimes the role of film can be in terms of sharing cultures and sharing stories. Stories about humanity, not because you're black or white, but stories about who you are as a person, the experiences that you had.
I want to support Wales, and Wales has always supported me. I want to see more production coming into Wales, specifically North Wales. It's got a lot to offer, and I want young people to know that it's a viable industry that they can join in and engage with, and it's not just a surprise.